Hey, Grandma, what is it, honey? Have you seen my coat? Did you check the closet? Did I check the closet? Oh no, I was looking in the fridge here. Thanks. What a good tip. Oh, here it is. Never mind, I found it. Okay, I'm gonna go, Grandma. Where you going, honey? I'm just gonna go for a walk in the woods for a while. Okay, have fun. Yeah, okay, I'll see you when I get back. Okay. All right, let's just do this. Should we do it? Okay. I just gotta relax. Are you running? Oh, okay. Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO, and welcome back to Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the show about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, or as we say in the language, NANABOOZHOO, Indigenous cause. Okay, well, I thought it'd be a nice day to come outside, and I thought our word could be agwajiing, outside. And I don't really have a song about outside. So, I thought it might be nice to do a little, to put out some tobacco, to say thank you to the spirits, to say thank you to the Great Spirit. So if you kids are interested, this is how you do it. Do you remember how to say, accept my tobacco? Otapana niwi asema. Otapana niwi asema. And then I'm just going to offer it to the four directions, to the spirits of the four directions, to Mother Earth, and to the Great Spirit. Okay? And so it's like this. First of all, you get a little tobacco, right? And you point it to you always start in the east. East, that's where the sun comes from. And then you say, Odapana niwi asema, manadugo wede, wabanung, east. Then you move this direction, right? And you gotta go, Odapana niwi asema, manadugo wede, jawanung, south. And then you move over this way, and you say, Odapana niwi asema, manadugo wede, Nengabi and Nan. And then you come over to this direction here, to the north, and you say, Odapana niwi asema, manadugo wede, giwaden. And then you go down to Mother Earth, and you say, Odapana niwi asema, mama aki, Mother Earth. And finally, you go up and you say, Hey, Boozhoo, Odapana niwi asema, kichimanadu. Oh, what? Miigwech bizandawiag. And then you gotta go find a tree to put it in. Okay, let's go find a tree. I'm just gonna wait for that car to go by. Yeah, it figures. I think the battery's dying on my laptop. Yeah, take your time. Oh, we really picked a nice day for this, don't we? You see that? People are here to camp. Yeah, take your time. As soon as he's done, we'll do this. Maybe this will finally work. Okay, I think he's gone. Oh, we really picked a nice day for this, eh? I hope you like being agwajiing outside. Okay, well, you've been watching Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I better get going. I'll see you later. Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Hey, is that an eagle?